Brad Williams, Excel primed. How about calculate the area of a trapezoid? What's a trapezoid? We have a difference here. We should have equal angles in different base ceiling. This is a trapezoid where we're taking a box and squeezing the sides. How do we compute the area? Area equals A plus B divided by 2 times the height. A plus B divided by 2 times the height. Calculate the area of a trapezoid in Excel. You can adapt the standard formula for Excel's math operators. Here's a copy, okay? I just told you the layout, which computes the area of a trapezoid given the length of side A in column B, side B in column C, and height in column D. In geometry, this formula defines the area enclosed by a trapezoid, where A represents the length of side A and B. Okay, I just said this. So for instance, to calculate the area of a trapezoid with A equals 3, B equals 5, and H equals 2, you can use the following formula. 5 plus 3 divided by 2 times 2. Should you put parentheses around 5 plus 3 divided by 2? It doesn't hurt. Take a look here. 5 plus 6 divided by 2 times D6 is equals 2.63. Do you need to put parentheses around here? Okay, remember that number? I don't think it's going to change. Okay, 2.63. But I always like to take the cautious route. Let's make sure this is 473 at the bottom. Control down. You can hit F9 just for fun. But for safety or for conservativeness, I always like to put parentheses just because I don't want, this 2 times D6 to interfere. I know there's a precedent rule. Clearly, this should take precedence before the D6, but you never know. Excel sometimes has a mind of its own. So remember, we have the sides, we have the base, and then we have the other, which was the height. Okay, so we have 2 heights and 2 sides. For basic arithmetic or algebra, you can solve for H, you can solve for base, you can solve for the side, you can solve for B, you can solve for A, you can solve for H. It's just a matter of remembering your algebraic rules and finding exactly substitution and what have you. We're not going to go down that road because this is not an algebra class, but if you need to solve for height, you can do that easy enough. Brad Williams, Excel primed.